Ladies and gentlemen, take a deep breath with me. Not just any breath, a breath that reaches beyond your lungs and into your soul. Because what we're diving into today isn't just motivation, it's transformation. This is about energy, your aura, your inner power, the force shaping your reality, guiding your decisions, and determining your destiny. We live in a world that demands more hustle, more noise, more proving. But in chasing all that more, we forget something sacred. Your energy, not just a vibe, not some mystical woo-woo. Your energy is the atmosphere you carry. It's what people feel when you walk into a room. It's what the universe responds to. It's what builds your future. And if you don't protect it, if you're not intentional, you'll feel tired, stuck, unfulfilled, working hard but not getting the results your soul craves. This isn't because you're not good enough. It's because your energy is being leaked, scattered, drained by things and people that don't deserve access to your spirit. Your aura is sacred, and no matter what life has thrown at you, heartbreak, failure, rejection, there's a light in you that the world didn't give, and it can't take away. But that light needs space. It needs protection. It needs nurturing. And that's what this journey is all about. To protect your energy, clean your aura, rise higher. This is your call to reset, to rise, to reclaim your energy, not to become someone else, but to return to who you truly are. Centered, powerful, radiant. Let's start with the first step. Step 1. Solitude, the sacred reset. Solitude is not loneliness. It's not the absence of people. It's the presence of yourself. It's how you reconnect with your truth. Because most of us are drowning in other people's energy, pain that's not ours, expectations that never belong to us, noise that's clouding our clarity. Solitude silences that noise. It's where healing begins. It's where the real you begins to rise. Spend time alone. No scrolling, no distractions. Just be with you. Journal, meditate, pray, breathe. Because when you're at peace alone, no crowd can shake you. Step 2. Release what no longer serves you. Letting go isn't about loss. It's about making space. Space for peace. Space for alignment. Space for the life you actually want. Ask yourself, what am I holding on to that's draining me? A toxic relationship? An old grudge? A job that deadens my soul? You cannot rise while dragging what's meant to be left behind. Yes, letting go can hurt. But the freedom that follows, that's where your spirit starts to fly. Step 3. Protect your energy. Energy is contagious, and not everyone deserves access to yours. It's okay to say no. It's okay to protect your peace. It's okay to outgrow people, places, and patterns. Your energy is not a public playground. It's a sacred space. Start treating it that way. Set boundaries. Step back from chaos. Guard your focus like your future depends on it. Because it does. Step 4. Practice daily gratitude and mindfulness. Gratitude is a power tool. It raises your vibration and clears your aura like sunlight through fog. Start each day with thankfulness. Name 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. and practice mindfulness. Be here, be now, because peace doesn't live in the past or the future. It lives in the present. Your aura shines brightest when you are grateful, grounded, and fully present. So let's bring it all together. Your solitude reconnects you to your truth. Your release makes room for alignment. Your boundaries protect your power. Your gratitude and presence elevate your vibration. And when your energy is clean, your life becomes magnetic. This is your time to rise, to shine, to protect what's sacred. Protect your peace. Clean your aura and step boldly into the life that's already waiting for you. If something in your soul stirred while listening, that's not by accident. That's your spirit remembering its truth. Don't let this moment pass. Like this video if you're ready to protect your peace. Subscribe to stay aligned on your journey. Comment below. I reclaim my energy. Let the universe know you're ready to rise. And most importantly, share this message with someone whose light needs reminding.